how to connect Disney account to Epic Games. Google search for Epic Games, sign in, and click on the first link that pops up right here. Now you will need to sign into your Epic Games account using your Nintendo, Xbox, or PlayStation account, or just your email. I'm going to click on continue here. Then it's going to ask me for my password. So I'm just going to enter it and click on sign in. Okay, so once you do this, I'm just going to sign in here as long as I manage to remember my password. Once you sign in, it is going to ask you for the verification code. So I'm just going to get that from my email and pop back in. Okay, so once you have signed in, then you want to go and click on your name in the top right and go into the account section if it doesn't automatically take you. And right here from the account section, you will click on linked accounts from the left hand side, and you want to scroll down until you see my Disney account. Click on link, and right here is going to take you, we're just going to click on connect account, and it's going to take you to the My Disney website. Here you will need to enter your email to continue. Then it's going to ask you for your password, and once you type out your information and go through the prompts, that is going to connect Disney to Epic Games. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.